down the gas, about to roll up a blunt.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We're getting straight into it. If you're new here, hello, good morning, good evening, good night. Whatever time it is you are watching, I'm sending you a vibration of love. That sounded so corny, but I'm for real though, like I'm dead serious. So as you can see by the title and by the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a T-part wig install. And I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse, because I'm tired of y'all dissing things, closures, T-parts, you know, all this stuff that you can finesse. First thing first, I'm using 356 warm coconut for my cap. I'm gonna use that same color for my lace. We're not doing the ball cap method, as you can see. That's not what we're doing today, honey. But we still want this to blend into our skin. First thing first, I'm taking my Cifril 70% rubbing alcohol. You guys know that this helps, or if you don't know, that this helps your lace stick to your skin with no oils or nothing on your skin. Next, I'm brushing back my edges. Yeah, so this is what it looks like fresh out of the pack. This is what it looks like fresh out. It's bleached beautifully, as you can see. That is scalp. And this is the T-part. Now I know, you know, we don't like T-parts. Everybody hates them. But look, I'm the finesse queen, as we all should be. You know, I'm gonna show y'all how y'all finesse, how we can finesse this, and we're gonna make this cute. So luckily this came bleached already, but with T-parts you can bleach them. It's not like you can't, it's just not a lot to bleach, which is actually kind of a plus. You're just bleaching the hairline and then the parting space. But yeah, so this is the inside of the wig. As you can see, we have one comb here, comb here, bra straps. Y'all know, if you don't know, you know now that I call them bra straps because they look like bra straps. And then here's the lace. It's like a brown tinted lace almost, but it's stretchy. It's not stiff, as you can see. And the parting space, the parting does go pretty deep. Yeah, so we're gonna put this on. Strap is already intact. Put this on, see what it's giving. Oh yeah, it's giving what it's supposed to give already. They did send us complimentary gifts, which they will also send you. 2 clips, and these are the good clips. Ooh. Okay, these are the good clips, y'all. Like, they really clamp, and I'm actually going to use these, so I'm gonna leave these out. Okay, they sent in this little bag. What does it say? Wind blows, river flows. That's cute. Okay, then they also sent us a comb. MyFirstWig. Okay, packaging. Nice little rag tail. And they also sent us a wig kit. So you'll get these same gifts. So I'm not just getting it because I'm doing this for promotion, honey. You're going to get these same gifts in the same quality. Now, y'all know about MyFirstWig. Like, they don't ever steer anybody wrong. By the way, look, if you're offended by a little bit of arm hair, you feel me, go ahead and click out this video, because look, I forgot, I'm hot, we're wearing a training bra, that's what's going on. So go ahead and just click out. You already gave me my view, thank you. Exit. But yeah, if you see it, you are going to see it. Mind it. Okay, mind your business. Back at it again with the voiceover. So I'm taking my scissors and I'm going to cut off the ear tabs. Not even gonna lie to you guys, this wig was kind of slightly too big for my head. Like, you guys know how with closure wigs, like, they kind of put pressure on your temples and your ears. That's kind of what this was giving, but we made it work. It didn't bother me that bad. So that's the hairline. That's how it's looking. We're gonna push that back. Now Now, when I tell y'all this was such an easy install, this was a very easy install. I'm just using my Got2b Glued spray in the yellow bottle, as you can see, and I'm putting that pressure with my fingers on the lace just to smooth it out. Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, to really get it on the lace where I need it on my hairline. And I did 2 layers of that. Then we're going to blow dry it, and boom, that's going to be laid. We're going to wrap her up and get to styling the hair. Now, while that lays down and really soaks into our skin, well, melts into our skin, I'm going to be plucking the part. I didn't pluck it that much, just where it gave me a more defined line. I didn't have to do much. Now I'm using my wax stick. This is the ORS Slick Stick. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. And I'm also taking my hot comb. This hot comb is, I don't know what brand it is, but it sucks because it always breaks, so I do not recommend. I just get it from the hair store for like $20. Y'all need to invest, and I need to invest in a better hot comb, just a more expensive one that really lasts. But yeah, I'm just smoothing that product out, really pressing out the hairline so that it's nice and flat and seamless. Now I'm using my flat iron. And I'm using the chasing method to really get it nice and flat. Now, like I said, this was straight out the box, so it wasn't much flat ironing I needed to do, even though I did go in and make sure it was laid, honey. Okay. Now that the lace is melted, I'm going to be using my scissors to just cut open that, and then use my razor to cut off the lace. Now, cutting off the lace was a little bit extra because when working with Got2b Glued spray, it kind of goes everywhere, so it kind of took me a lot to actually get to the hairline, you know, because I didn't want any extra lace. So I had to make sure I really got to the grit of the hairline. Now I'm taking a small fluffy makeup brush in 365 Warm Coconut Fit Me foundation and using that on the lace. As you can see, that blended all that ashiness right on away. Then I also used more Got2b Glued spray on the lace to melt it one more time. As you guys know, Got2b Glued spray is not, you know, you gotta work with it. You gotta work with it, you know. So what I did was I used a 3rd layer to really melt it. Now I'm using the end of my ragtail comb that they had sent me, which came in very handy. And I'm just taking however much I need. You know, I do it different every time I do my baby hair. It's depending on the mood and the look that I'm going for. But you guys can see I'm scraping out all that Got2b Glue spray, because what it does is it gets real hard on the lace. It can if you use a lot like I did, because that's all I used on this lace. So I'm just combing that out to make sure it's smooth, you know, because it can get a little crusty. Now to lay down the baby hairs, I'm using Got To Be Glue Gel as well as this edge brush here. As you can see, I'm using the comb part of it. This edge brush specifically, like the bristles on the brush part is really soft. So I just really use my, really, oh my gosh. No, I just use my, the comb side of it. And I barely use the brush side, but usually I would, but this brush, nah, I didn't. But yeah, we're getting laid. Look at it, look at it. And I cut as I go, like I cut the baby hairs as I go, as you can see. You know, I'll just be trying to map it out at first. So here I'm using a more defined makeup brush with my Kiss Cream foundation. Yeah, Kiss Cream foundation to define the parts more. And we're just going over those areas again with our flat iron. Just make sure everything is smooth and cohesive with each other. Final touches, I'm going back in with our slick stick to make sure, just to make sure, and that's all I have to say, to make sure. It's exactly that with my hot comb, because as you can see, like the final results, it's always flat when you repeat steps. When you repeat steps and you do it in a way that isn't too much at once. You feel me? Alright, you guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, you had to watch the whole thing because I killed this. Like, I literally did. I did that. So yeah, make sure to check the description box for all the details on this hair and the direct link as well as the code to use as a coupon, as well as my social medias, as well as, yeah, my social medias. That's it. That's all I'm gonna put there. And yeah, make sure to thumbs this video up. Tell me, you know, what you guys want to see from me, because I'm going to do it. I'm ready to give you guys a new, so let me know, like, seriously. And I love you guys. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.